Hello everyone. Today's session name is XML Fundamentals. XML means Extensible Markup Language. It is a widely used markup language for encoding structured data in a human readable format. XML is often used for data interchange between different systems as well as configuration files and data storage. Here are some XML fundamentals. So, XML fundamentals means XML files means what? The elements are written inside the angular brackets. Uh, for what? So, it is a human readable format. Every element has a start the tag in XML fundamental. Elements inside the other elements, extra details, attributes in the start tag. Okay. Next, syntax and structure. Their XML documents consist of elements enclosed in a angular brackets. So, elements have opening and closing tags with the closing tag prefixed by the forward slash. So, we open the tag are written in a two angular brackets, open angular bracket and close angular bracket, and that closed tag is used for angular bracket and backward slash and close angular bracket. Elements can be nested within other elements, creating a hierarchical structure. Attribute can be added to elements to provide additional information. Attributes are defined within the opening tag. Next, well-formed XML. A XML document must adhere to certain rules to be considered a well format. These rules include having a single root element, properly nested element, and correctly closed tag. So, syntax in syntax and structure, we can use the XML documents and tag written always in angular brackets. Well-formed XML. Here, XML documents are only one root element. Element must properly are nested. Nested means no crossing, and every opened tag must be closed. Next is elements. Elements are fundamental building blocks of a XML document. Elements can have text content, other elements, combination of both. Elements can be empty, meaning they no content and are self-closing. For example, in angular bracket, empty element backward slash close angular bracket. In elements, it is a basic unit of the XML, and in this text, other elements and nothing means empty. So fourth is attribute. Attribute is used for the information about the elements. In attribute written start tag in angular bracket and used in is equals to sign and title. So always written in name or values means key and value pair in single or double quotes in attributes. So next is document declaration. In document declaration, very top you can add uh, angular bracket question mark XML version is equals to 1.0 encoding UTF dash 8 double quote complete question mark and closed angular bracket. So here document declaration of XML file, we can use this syntax. These syntax says are a version of XML are the character types of are using. So 60 is comment. Comments in XML are included within angular bracket exclamatory dash dash and dash dash angular brackets. They are used to add human readable notes within the document. So we can which statements stored in comment. So that is only human user readable, not a runtime these statements. So comments are used for human readable. Next is entity reference. XML provides predefined entities for special characters such as and IT for and GT for and AMP for and. You can also define custom entities in document type definition STTD or external entity file. So entity reference is used for special characters have codes. Angular bracket is called and IT. Next close angular bracket written in and GT and written in and AMP. You can also create your own shortcuts using the empty reference. Next validity and DTDS. In this type, XML can check against the rules. Means DTD and XSD defines what allowed in the document. For example, saying in Angular brackets books must always the title or author. Means in validity and DTD checks the syntax that is valid or not. Means format checked. Next, namespace. In namespace, it is used for the avoid the name of clashes if two documents have the same name. A prefix is added. So namespace are used for avoid naming conflicts. Means duplicate names of files in XML document. They allow you qualify element attribute names in namespace prefix. Commonly used namespace include XML namespace, XML NS namespace, and namespace for specific standards and vocabularies. Next, use of XML. XML is used to various domains including data interchange between different systems and applications. Means sharing the data between two applications or services. Next, software configuration file. I use the XML fundamentals. Next, database content storage for using the XML files. XML is versatility, are supported technology that play crucial data representation exchange, especially in web-based application and services. Understanding these XML fundamentals is essential for working with XML data effectively. Thank you.